Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today, we're exploring InVideo, a revolutionary AI video generator that's changing the way we create content. Is it the game changer it promises to be? Let's find out. First things first, InVideo claims to simplify video creation, boasting a powerful text-to-video AI. This means transforming your ideas into fully realized videos, almost instantly. But does it deliver? The short answer: yes, it does, impressively so. InVideo's interface is user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, you'll find navigating through its features a breeze. The AI prompt box is where the magic happens. Here, you provide detailed instructions and InVideo gets to work. I experimented with various prompts, from YouTube Shorts to business-focused content. The results? Surprisingly accurate and visually appealing videos. It's not just about slapping together random stock footage. InVideo understands context and relevance, which is a huge plus. But what if you want to tweak the AI's creation? No problem. The editing features are robust. You can replace stock footage, adjust the script, and even fine-tune the voiceover. And yes, the AI-generated voiceovers are surprisingly natural, adding a professional touch to your videos. Customization is another area where InVideo shines. You can specify audience type, video style, and even the voiceover's accent. This level of detail ensures that the final product resonates with your intended audience. Exporting your masterpiece is a straightforward process, with options for different resolutions, including 4K. This flexibility is great for ensuring your content stands out, regardless of the platform. In conclusion, InVideo lives up to its promise. It's fast, intuitive, and most importantly, capable of producing high-quality content with minimal effort. Whether you're creating for YouTube, social media, or business presentations, InVideo is a tool worth considering. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.